Good morning, everyone. So I said in the last video that I didn't think we'd be able to film on our last day because I thought the weather would be pretty bad, but as you can see, we've got lucky once again because it's pretty damn good. Not as sunny as the other days, but still, yeah, I can feel quite a lot of sun. So yeah, we're just gonna make the most of this last day and do what we always do pretty much, which is explore some beaches. Right now we just stopped on the way to the beach at this kind of abandoned pier. Yeah, we just saw it and decided to stop here. So you get some pretty nice views from out here. The main town is about 3 minutes that way. And check this out, you see the entire bay.
Yeah, so many beaches around.
Yeah, you can see all the beaches around. So the one we're going to is that huge one over there. I don't know if you can see it. It looks very white. We don't really know anything about the beach, but it looks nice from here. And check out the water here. It's a nice turquoise blue water. Almost makes me want to jump in.
Yeah, I think we could jump, but I don't know. Oh, there's a stair over there, but we're not going to do this. We're going to the beach.
Yeah, this would be a cool diving spot. Yeah, so we're gonna head to that beach now. I'm not sure how far it is. I'll let you know when we get there how long it took, but it looks pretty close anyway. I think there's just a road that goes all the way up the coast there. Should I park in there?
Yes, I think so.
Maybe to the side? I don't know.
Oh, here maybe.
Yeah, here. All right. So that was an absolute mission to get here. On Google Maps it showed about 17 minutes I think, and it must have took about 40 or more. The roads were crazy as well, so yeah, it's a good job it wasn't raining last night because I think we would have had to turn back. But this is the beach here. I think it's called Kemdeng Beach. So we're actually at the far end pretty much here, and we were hoping to get a road at that corner over there, so we pretty much drove the whole length of the beach. Huge beach though. Look at the size of this right now. Yeah, check it out. It's a bit like Long Beach. The scenery. Abandoned BMX. Maybe it's not abandoned actually. Got somebody's flip-flops. Yeah, somebody else must be here. So the water's a lot calmer on this beach than the ones that we visited yesterday with all the waves. It's almost still here because we're in like a bay. Water's not that clear though. Actually, all the beaches we've been to so far are not that clear on this side, right? The water.
The other ones that we went, I think they were clearer than this one, but it's still a green color, a nice green color.
Yep. Kind of misty today as well, so it's sunny, but yeah, it does look misty everywhere. So that's where we started our little road trip from, the San Vicente main town over there. guys, so check this out. I'm not sure how well you can see it on the GoPro, but the sun has a halo. This isn't just an effect of the camera, we can actually see this with our bare eyes. So there is a halo, like a rainbow looking halo around the sun. Looks insane. And we actually saw the same thing yesterday, right?
Yeah, yesterday we were like, what is that? And then we searched online and we read that it's a halo. It's like
It's a rare phenomenon or something.
Yeah.
And we'd never seen it before.
No, or we never noticed it before.
Yeah, looks crazy. Literally just a big colorful ring. It's not so colorful today. Yesterday it was really colorful, like a rainbow. But yeah, how insane does that look? What the hell? The aliens are coming. Check this out too. A bird's nest fell out of the tree up here. Nothing inside though, but yeah, check that bird's nest out. It's crazy how they make these things with just their beaks. So we're just gonna go for a quick walk to the far end of the beach before we leave. From the drone shots I saw there was like a cool looking river there with like sandbanks and stuff, so yeah, we thought we'd check it out before we go. Check out the halo now. I think it's even clearer to see, more visible. That really is insane. Whoa. We might never see that again, right?
We never know. We saw yesterday and today, maybe tomorrow again, or
Yeah.
maybe never.
So here's the sandbanks that you could see from the drone shots. And you probably saw there was two fishermen out there that I was flying around. That was actually their BMX, the bike back there. So yeah, they left with some fish. All right, here it is. The Brown River. And loads of crabs around here as well. The sand looks even wider here, right?
Yeah, just this part.
Yeah, just this part. It's like super white. Really nice and peaceful, this beach though. So silent. You wanna swim in there, Carol?
Oh, thanks. You can go.
Nah, I'll pass as well. The Stinky River. Guys, check out the fish. Runs along the top of the water. Got another one here. All the way across the river. So we just stopped at the canteen that we come to in town every day. So they have a few places to eat. We always order from this one here. But they have about, I don't know, 5 or 6 stores around here. A lot of the locals, they eat here as well. So we always get these fish balls for starters in some, I guess it's sweet and sour sauce, right? Really tasty though. So we got 3 cups of them. Delicious though. And this is what we've been eating every day. So this is our pancit feast, right?
Yeah. Over there it's written that it's for from 3 to 4 people.
Yeah.
But we can't eat everything.
Yeah, not 3 to 4 Chris and Carol's. We eat the whole thing. I think that's the most pancit we've ever had anywhere though. Yeah, and this is only 200, so yeah, really a good price.
So gone.
In my belly.
Our belly, yeah.
So we ended up spending the last few hours at our resort here, Elements Resort. It rained quite a bit, so yeah, I thought it might have been the end of the day, but now the weather's okay. And we're thinking of going to a viewpoint for the sunset. There's a place called 100 Steps. I think it's only about 15 minutes from here, so yeah, we're gonna check that out. I don't know if the sunset will be good. Might be, it looks pretty clear now, so yeah, we'll see how it goes because we haven't seen a sunset in ages. So we arrived at the entrance for the viewpoint, but as you can see it's closed, and yeah, we'd have to ride up there. So I don't know if that's because of COVID or if someone bought the land or something, but yeah, we're not going to get the viewpoint, but we'll probably try and go to somewhere for the sunset, right?
Yeah, maybe the pier.
Yeah, maybe we'll go to the pier, which is in town, so yeah, we'll head there now. So this is the sunset spot. No sun.
No sun yet.
It might be nice though. Look at there's
Yeah,
already a few
maybe
colors.
it's gonna be colorful. We hope so.
So it's funny, on this pier here, they've like made some sort of bike course or I don't know, motocross course or something. Pretty creative. Ugh. Nice and peaceful here though. Good sunset spot. So that's it here from San Vicente. Tomorrow we're gonna be heading back to El Nido. Probably gonna stay there for a week and then maybe go on some trips to some other places. And we've absolutely loved San Vicente, right?
Yeah, it was a lot better than we expected.
Yeah, I think this place is probably gonna blow up in the next few years. They seem to be doing up the roads and stuff, making some beaches more accessible.
Yeah, that's needed, very needed.
Yeah, if they get a nice road along the coast linking all the beaches, I think this is gonna be a huge touristic destination because, yeah, there's just so many beaches and cool viewpoints and stuff. So yeah, I think in a few years to come it's gonna be big. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Just drop a like to support us if you did. Subscribe if you'd like to see other videos like this. Follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next one.